Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and preparing both devices. Put the Beats Fit Pro in their case, then open the lid to wake them. This triggers pairing mode when first used. On your iPhone, swipe to Settings and turn Bluetooth on so the phone can scan. Once done, keep the iPhone unlocked and the Beats close, within a few feet, because proximity speeds discovery and avoids pairing with other Bluetooth devices. You now complete the connection step. With the Beats case open and iPhone scanning, watch the Bluetooth list for a Beats Fit Pro entry, tap it immediately. The phone will display a pairing animation or confirmation prompt. Accept it so the devices exchange credentials. If a code appears, verify it matches and tap Pair. Once paired, the iPhone saves the device for automatic reconnection. Make sure you allow any access requests, so features like Hey Siri and device controls work. You finish by verifying the connection and resolving common issues. Play a short audio clip and check Control Center to ensure output shows Beats Fit Pro. Switch manually if needed. If pairing fails, close the case, turn Bluetooth off/on, restart your iPhone, or reset the Beats by following the button hold reset procedure. These steps clear stale pairings. Finally, make sure iOS and Beats firmware are up to date. Updates fix bugs and improve reliability, so install them when available.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.